Alright, so here's my version of the Ojibwa bird snare. It uses a figure 4 type trigger. Right there I have a rock. I'm using my shepherd sling to tie it on there, which is attached to my main pole, which is stuck in the ground. It has a 7 notch and a chisel point on the figure 4 part, which has another chisel point right there and another 7, which goes through a square hole where there's another notch right there. And then here is where the snare is attached. I put a cross piece in there to hold the snare open, so when the bird comes and lands, the snare is tightened. It's around my finger. That would be the bird's leg right there. Just like that.